Look what came in the mail. Yes, I can't wait. Get out my nails business. But yeah, this is what we're here for. Don't pay attention to the nails. This is the alt sample box for women, and I will put the information. Actually, I'll just say what everything is. Well, just a little bit of information. This is like a velvety lined little cardboard box. There's an insert in there with a little velvet and the pack and the sensor inside there. This is crystal number 23. This is their version of Baccarat Rouge 540, of course, by MFK. This is Splash number 10. This is Alt's version of Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana. This is Fleur Noir. This is Alt's version of Black Opium. Duchess, Alt's version of Delina. And this is Cherry Smash number 29, Alt's version of Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. I haven't really just gone through and smelled them. I kind of briefly smelled the entire package. And then also when I picked them up, I had briefly smelled a little bit. The only ones I'm familiar with is the Tom Ford Lost Cherry, which I don't have the real scent, but I have a dossier version, so I can compare those. I have a small miniature size of Black Opium. I've smelled Light Blue a million times, so I think I'm comfortable with that. And then with the Baccarat Rouge, I only have alternatives of that to compare it to. Actually, no. I have a mini sample of that I ordered from MFK in a sample pack, so I can compare that for sure. Great. So I can compare some of these with real scent, and then compare others with actually other alternative brands. Anyway, if you didn't know, these bottles are 5 ml, I believe, and the bottles are glass. Let me just show you. Okay, so the bottles are glass, and it has a little plastic top, and it's a sprayer. Yep. And let me just show you the back of the box. This is the back of the box. And again, these are 5 ml bottles, or 0.17 ounce. Anyway, guys, I have to go really quick. I'll try these out later.